I'm 680 News senior business editor Mike Epple. We saw one of the biggest names in tech today join the $1 trillion club on Wall Street. Microsoft, the latest to reach that historic market capitalization standout in U.S. trade as its share price spiked in the wake of better than forecast quarterly earnings. Microsoft saw profit up 19% in its third quarter to $8.8 billion as sales rose 14%. What is driving Microsoft's business? Cloud computing. It was one of the first in that market. Big data centers globally, and it's also had Office 365 and, of course, the historic Windows platform plus gaming. All these things leading to big profits and big share gains for Microsoft, which had a $1 trillion market cap today on Wall Street, joining previous members of that club, Apple and Amazon. Solid results today as well for Facebook, despite a lot of people saying they were going to quit social media regarding data breaches. That did not show up in Facebook's earnings update. In fact, their daily user base grew to more than 1.5 billion people worldwide. And sales at Facebook through advertising up 25% year over year. They made $2.25 billion. Would have been even better, but Facebook says it is going to set aside $3 to $5 billion to pay for settlements on data privacy allegations related to the Cambridge Analytica scandal and others, as fined by the Federal Trade Commission in the United States. And a big earnings miss for Tesla. The electric car company saw losses to the tune of $750 million in its latest quarter, slowing sales and less production. And this had one Wall Street analyst, Daniel Ives of Wedbush Securities, calling this one of the top debacles ever seen in 20 years of covering tech stocks. Ives says that Elon Musk is in the twilight zone if he thinks he's going to hit the targets for sales next year, and talking about robot cars and all sorts of stuff like that. Tesla's share price down today, and year to date losing 25%. Bombardier cut its forecast for 2019, citing currency market valuations and slower than expected deliveries of planes and trains, even subways and streetcars to the TTC. The slowdown or reduced forecast for 2019 had Bombardier stock down by as much as 25% in Toronto trading today. Southwest Airlines also lowered its earnings forecast due to the grounding of the 737 MAX jets. Southwest, the biggest operator of that plane in the U.S. The first quarter results coming in below forecast, also citing issues related to weather and travel disruptions in the first quarter of the year. And WestJet Airlines officially has opened a new hangar for maintenance of its newest planes, the 787 Dreamliner. That's at the hub in Calgary. It's 125,000 square feet that can house one 787 Dreamliner or 4 Boeing 737s. WestJet is starting a transatlantic service with the new 787 Dreamliner this Sunday. From the 680 Newsroom, I'm Mike Epple for City News.